All right, so this is the GoPro Hero 10 Black. And a lot of people have trouble getting this port door open here. And if you look, you're going to see there's a little lip right here that you can get your fingernail in. And so what I do is I hold it with my hand, and then I take my fingers, I put them right here, I get my fingernail in there, and I push hard. And it pops open like that. Then I can just swing the door open. Now I can get to my battery. If I want to pull my battery out, I pull it like that. Notice the attitude, GoPro name forward. Contacts are facing to the upside, okay? And then to put the battery back in, just slide it in like that, bam. If you want to get the card out, you just press that. And then all these micro SD cards have a little like lip on them right there, you see that? So you can get your fingernail under it like this and pull it up very easily. And then to put it back in, you just slide it in there, if I can see it. Where's my hole at? Oh, okay, there we go. And then what I do is I just kind of smush it in. Now you can just pull the battery out. Makes it easier, right? Makes it easier to get the card out, in and out. But it's all up to you. Get the card back in like that too. Grab your battery, wherever it is, and slide her back in. Now to close it up, what you're gonna do is just take it. All you gotta do is push it. You might have to smush that down. Anyway, pop it, it opens, right? There it is, door open. Close it, just shut her like that. One more time. Pop it, and shut it. You might have to squeeze it, but I don't think so. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.